Welcome to another Chaves auto detailing video. Today, we're cleaning this truck. Take a look, guys. So as you can see, there's dirt in the crevices. There's dirt on the floor. There's dirt on the dash. There's dirt pretty much everywhere. So what are me and Will gonna do? We're gonna clean the dirt. How are we gonna do that? Find out with this time lapse.
On, dude.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm just cleaning all the dog hair on this nice, beautiful carpet. I'm gonna show you guys a tool. 1 second.
It's looking pretty dirty over here.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that, dude. Holy crap. You can't even see it on the camera.
Wait, hold on.
I'm just kidding. No, you
Take
can't.
a look at that.
Dude, that
We are not sponsored by this brush, but we will be.
Bro, that's gross.
That is gross. Just keep going.
Keep going.
You don't even see that hair, like even in the truck.
Yeah, oh,
like
yeah,
in person.
Yeah. Dude, that is gross. Look at that mound there, dude. That is
You guys
gross.
remember Furbies back in the day? We're gonna make a Furby out of these.
Oh yeah. I don't know what that is.
Feel the weight to that.
Yeah, I feel it.
Feel the weight.
I feel
it. Just touch it.
Okay. Oh.
Yummy. So Will's an expert on dogs. What kind of dog is this, Will?
Definitely a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Definitely.
Is it? Yeah?
Yeah.
You can tell by the smell?
Yeah. No, by the taste.
Oh, the taste, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it tastes like a Chihuahua, but
Yeah.
you're right.
I should actually probably start working
Your
now.
time. Get to work!
Time lapse time. It's starting to look a whole lot better. At least my side, Andy's side isn't nearly as good.
Hey, William!
Hey,
What's up, bro?
you're back,
How's that
bro.
side going?
Yeah, a whole lot better than yours. That's
Thanks, man. Thanks. Yo, Will,
Yo, what's up?
take a look, man. You want to clean your vents? Give it a little spray and pray.
Oh, yeah.
Go like this. Go like this. And then pan in on me. And bam, there you have it.
There you go.
It's nice and clean. That is beautiful. But you know what I just noticed, Will?
What's that?
We didn't get the finishing results
Oh, shoot.
on that truck. The data was corrupted. We didn't film. We're having too much fun.
we totally forgot.
We just cleaned and talked and forgot. But don't worry, guys. There's going to be more content because we filmed all day today. Let's go.
Okay, this is the car we're working on today. Check out the inside. It's dirty right here, but on the other side it's already clean.
Nice and clean.
Andy's already started working on it. Back seats. It's dirty. So this is a not shined door, and over here is one that Andy just shined. Ooh!
The difference.
The difference. That's awesome.
Night and day. Night and day. And then take a look at this, guys. Come here. Shine front.
Woo! Alright guys, here's a final look at everything. It's looking way better. It's looking perfect. Every panel got shined. Carpet got shampooed. Mats got shampooed. Seats got shampooed. And all vacuumed and everything. Everything's looking mint. We always pull it outside. Double check everything. Make sure it's all looking perfect. Oh, look at that. Woo! Looking mint. Alright guys, we're cleaning the outside now. It's pretty dirty.
Well, do you know why we put soap on the car before washing it? Fun fact.
Why is that, Andy?
Because it cleans it.
No way! right, so we just finished washing this. It looks awesome. All nice and clean. Spotless. Woo! Check that out. Wheels are looking fresh again. Boom.